Hey folks, how's it going? How's it going? I wanted to go ahead and run through the pairs real quick. Hold on, I forgot the music. 1 second. All right, guys, that's more like it. So here we go. So there's a big reaction here off of the fib baseline. You'll notice that, and there's a little drop down. Um, we saw this pull back, kind of bounce off of this extended level last week. So right now we're, kind of reacting to that level. I'm looking for a move down. So I'm going to go ahead and watch this. I'm going to look for an entry similar to this one. You could kind of take this, I guess, if you wanted to. The problem with this play is we are actually kind of extended here. We're kind of far down already. So really the overall trend should be upwards, even though this long-term trend kind of shows us that we are, doing a slight pullback right now. Overall, we should be actually moving out of this section and upwards. So I'm going to go ahead and watch this, but I'm not going to take a trade. USD CHF looks like it's going down as well. I think we've already had a couple trades on that we were saying this is going to go down anyways. I don't know. I'll probably go to this second key level or maybe even this yellow line further extended. So something like that. I'll watch it. You guys know I love the USD pairs. So. CAD. Let me see here. Yeah, this one was definitely had some downward momentum the last couple of days. So we're after 4 o'clock. We're at 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. So obviously today was an up day and kind of pulling back from the previous down area. So trying to see what happens here. I'll watch it. NZD USD kind of looks like we're kind of hanging out right here. This is could be a huge reversal candle. I'm going to look for intraday signs that we're actually going to be headed down. Yeah, this is a strong move from yesterday, but there really was nowhere for us to bounce off of, right? There wasn't like a defined area that we could say that we bounced off of there. So interesting though. NZD USD is usually on the list anyway, so I know how I do and what I look at most of the time. So this is what I like to say is like no man's land. This play off the 50 MA is kind of iffy, and then it's kind of also iffy off of the 618 in its reaction there. So I don't really know with certainty or any kind of conviction exactly what's going to happen here. This even looks like a tweezer top with mismatch as far as the bar sizes go. So I don't really know what's going to happen there, but I will watch it because it looks like it might be worth watching. And this even looks like it could have been a potential entry or might be an entry to take this up higher. It's a difficult one though, man. I'm not gonna pretend like I know exactly where this one could go. It's looking more and more bullish for me right now, though. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and draw in. I could draw this in as a play and say, where's our momentum at here? Yeah, maybe taking it up that high. So something like this. You guys know how I feel about these real-time entries. This entry would look something like that. My actual stop loss is probably going to be more around here. But yeah, I don't know. That's a hard one, man. It's hard for me to sit here and say, yeah, we should take this. But that's what it would shape up like if you really wanted to take it, and it's really a live entry type of situation right now, which also doesn't help. And the stop is a little bit off, so maybe there's not a play there. So if I take this away and say, all right, there's too much risk here, there's too much uncertainty here, and if I say, I think it might go up, but I'm not going to shape it up, then we'll just do that. NZD CHF, it's really the same play, almost the same exact play, which is worth noting. Yeah, I can't really tell on that one, man. NZD CAD, you guys know how I felt about this at some point. This trade is slowing down. There's not a whole lot going on here. If you are still in this, would have made 1%, 1.2, hardly worth it. Kind of sideways, and this is what happens when I'm really wanting something to happen. This is why you got to get away from those biases. I fell victim here of that because really you can see the double bottom shape here, and maybe we just stay in a range. I'm just gonna watch this to try to see what happens. If it comes down, that type of thing comes down, get out. Maybe it reacts at this key level, this orange level. I don't know. It's worth watching. Okay, I'll go to the next pairs on the next video. Peace.